Welcome to the enchanting world of astrophotography, a mesmerizing journey where the wonders of the cosmos collide with human creativity. Picture yourself standing beneath a vast expanse of stars, the cool night air embracing you as the universe unfolds its secrets above. From the ethereal glow of distant galaxies to the shimmering trails of shooting stars, astrophotography invites us to explore the mysteries of the night sky, allowing us to capture fleeting moments that reveal the beauty and grandeur of the cosmos. Each photograph is more than an image. It's a profound connection to the infinite, a silent conversation between the observer and the observed. Astrophotography is not just about capturing stars. It's a narrative woven through light and shadow, a way to tell the story of our universe and our place within it. Each twinkling star has a tale to tell, and as we freeze their light in time, we create a visual legacy that echoes across the ages. In this guide, we'll delve into the techniques, equipment, and artistic approaches that will empower you to immortalize the beauty of the night sky. Whether you're a novice eager to capture your first star trail or an experienced photographer aiming to refine your craft, there's always a new adventure awaiting you in the dark. Before we embark on our practical journey, let's take a moment to understand the intricacies of the night sky. Familiarizing yourself with celestial coordinates, constellations, and the movements of the stars is fundamental to becoming a skilled astrophotographer. The night sky is a dynamic canvas, constantly shifting as the Earth rotates, and having a solid grasp of its layout will enhance your ability to capture stunning images. Planning your shoots is crucial. Aim for nights when the moon is a mere sliver or completely absent, allowing the darkness of the sky to showcase the stars in all their glory. Consider using light pollution maps to find the best locations. Dark skies offer the richest viewing experiences, revealing countless stars and deep sky objects that would otherwise remain hidden. As you prepare, remember that understanding the movements of celestial objects will help you predict where to find your subjects, setting the stage for extraordinary captures. Let's now discuss the essential equipment. While you can certainly begin with a smartphone, a dedicated camera will open up a world of possibilities. A DSLR or mirrorless camera, equipped with manual settings, is ideal for astrophotography. These cameras give you control over shutter speed, ISO, and aperture, enabling you to manipulate the light just as an artist wields a brush. Selecting the right lens is paramount. Look for a lens with a wide aperture, ideally f/2.8 or even wider, to maximize the light hitting your sensor. This is crucial for capturing the delicate glow of distant celestial bodies. A wide-angle lens not only allows for stunning expansive views of the night sky, but also lets you incorporate foreground elements, adding depth and context to your compositions. Stability is key in astrophotography. A sturdy tripod is your best friend, helping to eliminate camera shake during long exposures. Think of it as the foundation upon which your stellar captures are built. If you're feeling particularly ambitious, consider investing in a star tracker. This device compensates for the Earth's rotation, allowing you to take longer exposures without the stars blurring into streaks. It's an invaluable tool for capturing the intricate details of galaxies and nebulae, an opportunity to reveal the hidden wonders of the universe. Now, let's dive into some of the techniques that will elevate your astrophotography. Begin by setting your camera to manual mode, which grants you full control over your exposure settings. A solid starting point might be an ISO of 1600, an aperture of f/2.8, and a shutter speed of around 15 to 30 seconds, but feel free to experiment as conditions vary. Each adjustment offers a chance to shape the image and convey the ethereal beauty of the night sky. Don't hesitate to take multiple exposures at varying settings. This is where the magic happens. The 500 rule can serve as a helpful guideline for shutter speed. Divide 500 by the focal length of your lens to avoid star trails. This rule helps ensure that your stars remain pinpoints of light rather than streaks, preserving the essence of your celestial subjects. To achieve even clearer images, consider stacking multiple exposures using software like Deep Sky Stacker. This technique effectively reduces noise and enhances the fine details of celestial objects. Think of stacking as assembling a puzzle, where each piece contributes to a more complete picture. The results can be stunning, transforming a simple shot into an awe-inspiring portrayal of the cosmos that captures the imagination. Post-processing is where your creativity truly shines. This stage allows you to breathe life into your images, adjusting contrast, brightness, and colors to reflect your artistic vision. Tools like Adobe Lightroom or Photoshop enable you to enhance the details and bring out the inherent beauty of your photographs, transforming them into captivating visual narratives. Adjusting levels and curves can reveal hidden details in your shots, transforming an ordinary image into a visual masterpiece. Think of it as unlocking a treasure trove of celestial wonders, each adjustment peeling back layers to showcase the intricate beauty of the universe. This creative process not only enhances your images, but also deepens your connection to the cosmos. Astrophotography is as much about creativity as it is about technique. Don't shy away from experimentation. Play with different compositions by incorporating foreground elements like trees, mountains, or even architectural structures to create depth and context. Your photograph can become a powerful narrative that invites viewers to explore both the stars and the world below. Including silhouettes can add a profound human element to your images, reminding us of our place in the universe. By framing a person or an object against the starry backdrop, you evoke emotions and convey the vastness of the cosmos in a way that resonates deeply with your audience. Each shot can be a moment of reflection, a reminder of the beauty and mystery that lies beyond our earthly existence. Let the wonders of the cosmos inspire you. As you venture into astrophotography, remember that every image captured is a moment in time, a glimpse into the infinite. Reflect on the words of great astronomers and artists who remind us of the beauty and mystery that surrounds us. Their insights can fuel your passion and challenge you to push the boundaries of your creativity. Astrophotography can be a solitary pursuit, but it doesn't have to be. Join communities online or in person to share your experiences, learn from others, and find inspiration. Connecting with fellow enthusiasts can elevate your skills and broaden your perspective. Together, you can explore new locations, exchange techniques, and celebrate the beauty of the night sky as a collective. As we conclude our journey through astrophotography, remember that the night sky is a canvas waiting for your artistic touch. So grab your camera, venture into the darkness, and let the stars guide you in capturing the beauty of the cosmos. Each photograph is a testament to the wonder of our universe, a reminder that we are all part of something much greater, a shared journey into the unknown. Happy shooting, and may your adventures under the stars be filled with awe and inspiration.